Here is your severe weather outlook for July 31st, 2021, brought to you by Force 13 Australia. Here's a good old look at the synoptic chart for the 31st of July, the last day of July, and what a wet one it has been for the southwest. You can see another front lining up to slam us tonight and into tomorrow. That is severe warning. We'll be talking about that throughout this video. So the synoptic chart suggests that there is a trough just onshore from Perth, which is still causing those very disorganised shower systems. Thankfully, the wind has died down as of late, but the wind's now starting to turn more westerly. That is a sign that the front is now starting to come in, and that big front there, quite a powerful one, but it will be a very small and brief one. So that's a little bit of good news. Is a winds forecast provided by the ECMWF for the next few days or so, and you can see that those winds picking up from about late Saturday and into Sunday morning. The conditions will really start to deteriorate for the Capes sort of into Sunday morning. Those greens, 34 knot winds and more yellows, 64 knots in excess of, and I don't think we'll be seeing too many of those, but those deeper greens do become quite apparent. We could be seeing winds in the Perth metro area around 5 to 10 a.m. on Sunday morning, approach that 40 to 45 knot mark, which would cause quite a dangerous situation for anyone on the water. But thankfully on Monday we start to see a high pressure ridge build into that place there, so we should be seeing a return to calm weather for at least a foreseeable future, and Thursday might even bring some rare sunshine for Perth in the middle of winter. I'm so excited for that before the passage of another front towards the end of the week. Here's a satellite imagery of the visible sort. You can see for the full southwest region there is just showers moving ashore, quite messy, small showers. They're also quite light, not bringing much in the way of wind, but you can see that gnarly front really starting to build now off the southwest Cape. So it'll be making its crossing of around midnight tonight, then into tomorrow morning for the Perth metro area, and reaching up towards the northern reaches of Perth by around 8 a.m. Sunday morning. So it definitely won't be a decent start to Sunday, unfortunately, and a little bit more rain and damaging winds before we get a little bit of sunshine, which is some good news. We do have that severe weather warning out now for damaging winds and damaging surf conditions. A strong cold front will move over the southwest of the state late this evening and overnight into Sunday morning, resulting in an increase in showers, thunderstorms and damaging winds. A cold and unstable air mass will follow during Sunday with brief but heavy showers and thunderstorms expected. The real threat now is damaging wind gusts to 110 km an hour that could cause damage to homes and property are expected to initially develop southwest of Cape Naturalist to Wind Harbour around 8 p.m. Saturday, extending through the southwest of Mandurah to Bremer Bay by midnight. Conditions will deteriorate through the remainder of the warning area between midnight and 6 a.m. Sunday. The conditions are expected to be widespread throughout coastal areas extending from Jurien Bay to Albany throughout the southwest district, with the more isolated risk remaining through those areas. It is unlikely for conditions to begin easing until Sunday afternoon. Ongoing damaging surf conditions will cause some significant beach erosion between Shark Bay and Esperance, right up to the north of Shark Bay, mind you. This is quite a large, widespread front. And although this widespread heavy rainfall is not expected with this front due to saturated river catchments in the southwest of the state, localised flash flooding may occur and is generally expected. Locations which may be affected include Albany, Bunbury, Busselton, Dunsborough, Esperance, Katanning, Mandurah, Manjimup, Margaret River, Merredin, Moora, Mount Barker, Narrogin, Northam and the Perth Metro. Quite widespread on that front. On a little bit of lighter note, here's the Perth forecast at 4:20pm Australian Western Standard Time for the 31st of July 2021. Sunday will be bringing those thunder showers as we expect, but Monday and Tuesday we'll see a return to just general showers. And look at that, Wednesday no rain is expected, and Thursday the sunny conditions will resume in Perth. So I'm so excited for that. That will be a really well-deserved break from the horrible weather that we have been seeing. 11 to 16 degrees Celsius on Sunday, that's sort of the general trend of the daytime temperature, 16 to 19 degrees Celsius, and overnight lows ranging between 7 and 11 degrees Celsius. Collie will be significantly cooler and a little bit wetter as well, with those thunder showers expected on Sunday and then into Monday and Tuesday, but again, finding up on Wednesday, going down to 3 degrees Celsius on Wednesday as well. Very, very cold indeed, with the possibility of some early morning fog and frost, but daytime temperatures will be between 13 and 17 degrees Celsius, so that jumper will be mandatory for the rest of the week. Unfortunately, Albany will not be enjoying those sunny conditions until at least Thursday, with showers expected right through until late Wednesday afternoon. Because it is a coastal location, daytime temperatures will be a little bit more mild at around 15 degrees Celsius, with overnight lows around that 8 to 9 degrees Celsius mark. And on that note, that basically does it for the severe weather outlook brought to you by Force 13 for July 31st, 2021, the final day of July, and it looks like some sunny weather is going to start up early this August. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to show support, believe in a like. If you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing. That's all from us, and we'll catch you all in the next storm. Goodbye.